Both teams have picked up a set. The first set going to Cagayan, second set to the Air Force, and here are the numbers from the second set.
But when you look at the numbers, what I really have to mention, or what we really have to mention, and when you look at the error department, Cagayan committed 7 errors as compared to only 2 for Air Force. The others will, di ba, parang
Equalize
Cagayan, the reason why they won the first set was because they attacked better. So obviously, the defense of Air Force was struggling to find form. Ngayon, yung defense of Air Force woke up in that second set. Cagayan, still committing their errors. Air Force will easily win that second set.
And some of the errors of the first set of Cagayan, although they took it, they had 11 errors spilled over, yung attitude spilled over to the second set. And that was a stat that jumped out at us despite the fact that they took nga the first set. Tutuwa kami na masasamahan nyo kami rito, Sir Samantha Noringo at Rina Villamor para sa pagtatanghal ng Shakey's V-League, isang liga ng Sports Vision sa pakikitulungan ng Shakey's. For fun family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. 10 taon na tayong sinusuporta ng Shakey's.
I know.
At nagpapasalamat tayo. What started at, who knew, no? Back then. 2-1 ang ating bilang. I like the mind game that's going on actually. Kasi parang magaling. Tingnan natin. Sino ba matibay-tibay rito? Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Hello. Down the middle. Huli. Tripachat. Hello. Pinabounce yung bola. Semana adjusting in the air. Hinabol ni Janela.
Good cover.
May katigasan ng ulo yung bola. No? Ayaw matulog. Frustration ng volleyball player. No? You're there, but you're not even close.
Yep. Well, itong si Tipachot, she was silenced in the second set.
Though she was not actually there. She was taken away. Although Soraya was trying to go to her, no? Tipachot. Nope, daliri ang tumama ron. Semana will have to give a free ball. Hello, that will count.
Off the block.
And Maizo giving them a 3-2 lead here in the third. Julian Caballero was hot in the second set.
Right, that's right.
And she was scintillating.
But we also have to mention the unsung hero. Wendy Semana played really well there in that second set.
She was the center of control. That's long. And Yonko says, I ate too much this lunchtime. And
it's not obvious naman.
No. Siya?
Ayun o, tingnan mo.
Siya? Hindi. Sa akin, pag alam mo kung saan ako galing, tumitira sa akin yung calories. Tatayo na real estate. Nice pick up. Yep. Tabakero. Shot. Semana. Huli. Nice block.
Quality rally.
Oh, yes. But kept in play. Winalis. De Ramos. Oh, overset. They'll have to give a ball here. The free ball. Eulalio.
What a rally.
Tagal. Ito ang pinaka-mahaba. It will go to Air Force in the weirdest of ways.
But that rally, talagang, what quality, no? Talagang may blocking.
Listo lahat.
Oo.
Saka yung diskarte ng 12 players, malinis.
Oo.
And yun, winalis na naman. Eulalio taking care of matters there. When at Eulalio, makes me tell you that Rexona anti-perspirant deodorant, it won't let you down. I have to say this at 5, and then I'm 10, I think. Semana. That double block of Maizo and Eulalio has been pretty solid.
Actually, defense of both squads.
Now has improved tremendously, ha? Ano yung score natin? 6-3. Kaya gumagapang yung score, eh.
Oo.
Diba? Parang ang haba na nung laro, eh. Paano? Bawat punto, pinaglalabanan ng gusto.
That's true. So again, yung level ng game na to, it's really
Yes.
high.
And that was a triple block. Eulalio, Tabaquero, and Maiso were there for triple coverage. 7-3.
Good serve.
And Cagayan is first at the technical timeout mark, 8-3.